So let's get back into part 2, right? I want to tear this thing open and see what we got going on in here. If you watched the first one, hope you liked it. If you don't, then I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, I want to get into this thing. I want to see what's going on in here. I want to make some stuff. Man, this thing's been sitting around for a very long time, and I'm kind of tired of it. You know what I mean? I want it to be gone. None of my videos are sponsored, but I'm always open for it. If anyone wants to, oh yeah, here we go. We got some good stuff here. Springs, cables, pulleys, belts. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Nice. I should have uncovered that a long time ago. The other day I was thinking about my drum set. It's been in storage in our barn for, I don't know, close to 8 years. And I haven't played in probably 10. Never took a lesson. No formal training. I can't even read a note of music. But I was thinking that if I could get to 200 subscribers, maybe we could pull out that old dusty drum set and set it up and have a little jam session. But that depends on you guys. I'd be down with that. I think that'd be fun. Watching my dumb ass play the drums. Haven't played in so long. So, I don't know, what do you think about that? If we can hit 200 subscribers and pull my drum set out, I won't even wipe them off. I'll just set them up as they are and play them as they are. Oh, another news, my excavator is dead. I have to send the excavator out to get worked on. Who knows how long that'll take. It's still here, we haven't sent it out yet. But once we do and we get that back, I got a lot of videos planned out for that one. Been kind of slow here because a lot of it's weather related. We've been getting a lot of rain. It's hard to do stuff outside. Another pulley. And there goes the handle. Let's flip it over. To get through that rust. There we go. Now we're getting there. Perfect. Oh yeah. Hey, see if we can't do something with that, right? Okay, come on. There we go. There's it. Almost have the engine detached from the deck. Let's flip it back over, see what we got. Well, there goes the oil dipstick. Okay. Here we go. That's all I needed. Yeah. Get that spindle undone. Little housing there. Junk now. beat a hole into the side of the engine here. Oh well. See that? Well, let's let that soak for a little bit. Let the oil soak up for a while and see what, yeah, there's still a lot in there. Now it's just kind of a pain in the ass. I think we can just bust our way through, huh? Get some paper towel down there, get it just soaked up. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere, huh? Well, there's a lot more oil in here than I thought there would be. By a lot. Just to show you what I'm looking at up close here, there's a lot of oil in there, but I can see the camshaft of gears. I can see the piston from the other side, the front. But we're getting into the guts here. But I don't want to make this video too long. I was hoping it was just going to be a two-part. If I said it was going to be a two-part, I apologize. But you know, these things are out of your control sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Am I right? Yeah. Anyway, who is this guy? This is the stuff that I actually wanted to get into, but I had to go through all that other stuff to get to this. But yeah, I want to pull these gears and stuff out and see if there's anything that I can, you know, maybe make some kind of, I don't know, paperweight or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. But I don't know. I don't want to bore you guys. I don't want to really drag this out any longer than I have to. What do you think? Do you think we can hit 200 subscribers and do the drum kit, do the jam out, do some drums? Right? I think we can. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.